Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, today I am going to cover some important update which is coming from the TCS team. Okay, so now yesterday lots of candidates got their TCS admit card mail, and TCS is going to be conduct the exam on 26th, 29th and 30th April. These three dates having the two time slots which I already covered in my previous video. And for those candidates asking, sir, I'm not getting the admit card mail. So finally now TCS admit card option is available for all, and just go and just check the again for the same steps, and just go to your profile, just use your city number and your password, and just go to the option and you'll finding the admit card, and just hit the download button and you are ready to go. Okay, see, this is a option from where you will get your admit card option. Okay, and next update which I'm going to cover is like sir, see, this is a mail already offered offer letter candidates who didn't apply also got the admit card. Okay, second, bhai, I have already got the offer letter for TCS digital in January, but again I got the admit card without registration. So why? So basically the simple answer is this: TCS sending admit card mail and test mail for all offer letter candidates because for upgrading their profile. Let's suppose if you have your ninja offer letter, so they are giving you to the option, because this video you already uploaded, I think 7 to 8 days before I uploaded this video, that TCS 2024 offer upgrade TCS test city preference. Okay, so for those candidates who got this mail and who submitted the survey, they are getting the admit card option. Okay, see on my screen, in continuous to TCS 2024, we are excited to give you a opportunity that already offer candidates offer upgrade to digital or prime. All the offered students are eligible for process and can apply for TCS NQT through this stage. The interested set of students will have to reappear in the TCS NQT for upgradation. Kindly note, you will be still hold the same offer with the TCS even if you're not recommended for the upgrade. Please remember that you do not have to register for the TCS portal again, as you already registered and offered. This checking will be done basis the response. To register the test, we are required to correct your test city reference as per the below mentioned city option. So basically, if you got this mail and if you submitted the option, then you will receive your admit card mail because of your upgradation. Let's suppose if you are from Ninja, so you will get this test city reference mail to upgrade your either to digital, okay, or prime. Okay, let's suppose if you are not able to qualify any of them, then you have a still offer of Ninja. And let's suppose if you have a digital offer and if you got the admit card mail for writing the exam, then you अगर आप अच्छा perform करते हो, if you are performing very well, then you will getting your prime. So please focus on prime role, everyone. Please prepare for the prime role. For preparation part, I already uploaded a video. Just follow the particular video, and there's a lots of video on YouTube as well. Just start preparation and just focus on goal on your prime as well, because they are going to ask only 2 coding questions in the advanced section. And for Ninja, who is not for those candidates who wants to join as a TCS as a ninja role, so please don't focus on coding, just prepare your just focus on preparation on aptitude. So you will definitely going to qualify. If you score more than 75% score, then definitely you are going to get your Ninja interview mail. So this is a very good opportunity for those who is not good in coding, and for those who is good in coding, just solve 2 coding question and you are ready to go with the digital or prime. This is a very good opportunity for all of you guys. Okay, and I think I discussed all the point now. Yes, that's it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any question, let me know in comment section. मिलते हैं इस वीडियो में. Till then, जय हिंद, जय भारत, सभी को ऑल द बेस्ट. और कुछ भी डाउट्स रहता है प्लीज आप लोग कमेंट करना, मैं सभी कमेंट्स का रिप्लाई करता हूँ. अपने वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करना, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन हो जाना. तो फिर जय हिंद, जय भारत.